Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Mr. Thushara Kumarage as puisne judge of the High Court shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite Mr. Thushara Kumarage to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of judicial office.
I, Thushara Kumarage, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to the law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji, so help me God. I, Thushara Kumarage, swear that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor, or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law. So help me God.
Your Excellency, I now have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony has now concluded. Thank you, Excellency. Thank you very much, Your Lordship.